What's going on, wholesalers? Hey man, just wanted to make a quick video, man. I've been having some power calls this week, man, so I got a lot of new stuff coming up for y'all. I just want y'all to know that. Keep rocking with me, stay tuned for this next month and a half, guys. It's about to be absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so I just wanted y'all to know that, man. Just know that I've been having conversations with some superstars on the Facebook ads. I've been talking to other wholesalers all across the nation, guys. I'm about to have some heavy hitters coming onto the podcast soon, and I'm in real estate class right now, guys. So real soon, I'm gonna be a licensed realtor out here, you feel me? So we're gonna be listing properties. I'm gonna be giving y'all a ton of information about a lot of new strategies, guys, subject to deals. So pretty much like assuming mortgages. I got a ton of stuff on that. I've got just so much, y'all. So just know that I'm here. I'm coming with some fresh content soon, guys. Bangers. So I hope that y'all stay tuned. See y'all soon, guys.